Spectacular drone show. King Kong scales the Empire State Building. Incredible NYC aerial display. Prepare to be amazed by a breathtaking drone show that lights up the New York City skyline, featuring none other than King Kong scaling the iconic Empire State Building. This stunning display is not just a visual treat, it showcases the incredible engineering and creativity that went into making it happen. The precision required for the drones to perform such a complex choreography is nothing short of remarkable, and the end result is simply perfect. Accompanying the video is an insightful note that reveals the technology behind this awe-inspiring event. To bring this vision to life, we developed Helios from scratch. This next-generation drone platform is crafted from ultralight carbon composite materials, optimized for wind resistance, and equipped with custom signal shielding. It also features onboard Gen 3 computing for adaptive real-time positioning, ensuring every movement is executed flawlessly. All of this, the precision, the motion, the timing, was orchestrated using our innovative Helios Protocol, a special system we've been perfecting. Don't miss out on this incredible spectacle. Check out the video below and witness the magic for yourself.